Assalamu alaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing today? I hope you are great, and I'm also pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear brothers and sisters, as you can see behind me, they're walking here. Actually, they're cleaning the field for planting different types of vegetable. And as you can see behind me, there, so many types of vegetable have been planted. As you can see behind me, those are really chili trees. Those are chili trees. Uh, wow, over there, as you can see, over there, one of my auntie is digging the ground. Actually, one of my auntie is digging the ground by a spade. And well, as you can see, one of my grandma is walking there. Over there is walking. Actually, she is digging the ground by a spade with a spade. Oh, there's a little brother. And as you can see behind me, they're playing cricket. Actually, it was a paddy field, rice field. Now people are trying to clean this field for planting vegetable. And as you can see behind me, actually it was also a paddy field a couple of weeks ago. Actually rice field a couple of weeks ago. Now they're trying to plant here vegetable like potato, green chili, and wow, they are enjoying. They are playing and enjoying. Uh, Actually, they plant here potato, onion, garlic, ginger, chili, pumpkin, and maybe they're cleaning the field for planting watermelon. Last year, actually, in this field, actually, it was a watermelon field last year. That's why I think they're cleaning for planting watermelon in this year. Actually, in winter is the best. Winter season is the best season for planting different types of vegetable, fruits like carrot, watermelon, uh, pumpkin, corn. You know, corn, cauliflower, cabbage. They're working. They work hard. They work hard. I like it. I like vegetable garden, and I absolutely try to get my 5 a day every single day. I like red leafy spinach, basil, cauliflower, cabbage. Uh, I like pumpkin. Pumpkin, you know, pumpkin has vitamin A. Actually, by making video, I'm trying to practice. I'm trying to apply my vocabulary. Sometimes I know so many vocabulary, but I don't know how to apply it in my daily conversation. In my whenever I try to make sentences, sometimes I can't make. That's why I think this is the best way to iron out this problem. That's why I'm now in front of camera and making video. This morning I just thought of making video. Now I'm doing my work. Actually, I think it's really helpful to improve my speaking. And if I really continue making video, practicing by making video, I think I will definitely go from a strength to a strength. Yeah, I think really I will go from a strength to a strength. And you know, making video is really helpful to improve our speaking because sometimes we can speak with our tail, but we cannot speak in front of camera. That's why I'm trying to clear my voice and trying to improve my English in front of camera and making video. And as you can see over there, they're playing cricket, and I'm used to playing cricket. Actually, I'm used to playing cricket. However, I prefer football to cricket. I like football so much. I'm used to playing football. Last year in this field, I played football every single day. Actually, whenever I don't have any partner for playing football, in the afternoon, I try to play at home alone. Uh, Football is my favorite sport and game. I like it. Football is my favorite. Most of the time, I spend my time by playing football, and nowadays, I think I can spend my time, my spare time. I can spend my spare time, free time, by making video because. As I am learner of speaking English, as I am trying to improve my speaking English, that's why it's really good way to improve my English. Uh, Actually, one of my elder brothers told me that if you make video, if you speak in front of camera, I think it will be much better to improve your speaking level, speaking English. So that's why I'm doing my work. Actually, sometimes I become inspired by watching so many types of English video on Facebook, on YouTube. Actually, I became inspired watching video on YouTube, on Facebook. So that's why I just thought that if I make video, I think I will be able to speak like a good speaker like Doyal Chandra, you know Doyal Chandra. And I think if I continue my work by making video, if I continue practicing English by making video, I think I'll be able to speak English later on very well and smoothly. So dear lovely brothers and sisters over there, as you can see behind me, they're playing cricket. They're really into. Oh, one of my brother is laughing at me. Oh, he is showing two. He's showing two. Actually, I don't know what is that. Actually, my back camera is not good. That's why I'm making video with front camera. Actually, it was paddy field a couple of weeks ago. Now they're trying to clean it for playing cricket. And as you can see behind me, it was also paddy field, and people are trying to cultivate there. People are cultivate there. Uh, Actually, it was also paddy field, rice field, couple of weeks ago, and now people are trying to cultivate for planting different types of vegetable. As you can see over there, they're walking there. They're working. Actually, they're cleaning that. And